I'm making my third meal with that rotisserie chicken and the second one with the ingredients I prepped. So I still have chicken broth, celery, onions, and chicken, and we're gonna make a chicken pot pie. I forgot how much puff pastry shrinks up, and I should have used a whole lot more, but I still think it's cute and it's gonna be delicious. So this is Carter's and this is mine.